If you run a home service business and you are stuck choosing between Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan, this video is for you. In the next 3 minutes, I'll break down pricing, features, ease of use, and who each platform is really made for in 2026. Overview. Both Housecall Pro and ServiceTitan help service businesses manage scheduling, invoicing, dispatching, and payments. The big difference: Housecall Pro is built for small to mid-sized teams. ServiceTitan is designed for large, high-revenue operations. Pricing. Housecall Pro offers transparent monthly plans starting at a much lower cost, making it affordable for startups and growing businesses. ServiceTitan, on the other hand, uses custom pricing and it is significantly more expensive, often costing hundreds or even thousands per month. If budget matters, Housecall Pro clearly wins. Features. Housecall Pro features. Number one, we have online booking, job scheduling and dispatching, invoice and payments, customer notifications, and basic reporting. ServiceTitan features: advanced dispatching, sales and marketing automation, detailed analytics and reporting, inventory management, multi location support. ServiceTitan goes much deeper, but many small businesses won't need all that power. Ease of use. Housecall Pro is simple, clean, and fast to learn. You can get started in a day. ServiceTitan has a steep learning curve and usually requires onboarding and training, but it is incredibly powerful once set up. Which one should you choose? Choose Housecall Pro if you run a small or mid-sized service business, if you want something affordable and easy to use, if you need core features without complexity. Choose ServiceTitan if you manage a large team or multiple locations, if you want advanced reporting and automation, if you have the budget for enterprise software. Final verdict. In 2026, Housecall Pro is best for growing businesses, while ServiceTitan is best for scaling enterprises. The right choice depends on your business size, budget, and goals. If this video helped you out, please support us with like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next comparison.